Bamboo art is a versatile and sustainable art form that involves the use of bamboo to create a variety of products. So simple, easy work. Bamboo carving originated in the Jingganan region of China and is a specialized art form that uses a variety of knife techniques to create motifs on bamboo. Bamboo carving is a representation of elite Chinese literati culture. Bamboo art is known for its symbolic significance and aesthetic appeal. It utilizes the natural beauty and resilience of bamboo to create intricate sculptures, paintings, and crafts. Thank you for watching, and more videos visit my page and like, share and comment. Thank you.